Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you my second to the last check-in for my 25 in 2025 project pan. The finale is right around the corner. Time is flying and honestly, some of these products are flying faster than others. So let's get right into it. If you're new here, the goal of this project is to use the products in the project 25 times each by the end of 2025. I started with 25 items and every time I hit 25 uses on something, I roll in a new product to keep the momentum going. The whole point is simply to get use out of more items in my inventory. In my previous check-in, I had hit goal on 61 products and as of today, I hit goal on 6 more. That brings my total to 67 products with 25 uses. I'm really proud of that, especially because a lot of what's left are duplicates in categories. Like I currently have 5 blushes, 3 highlighters, 3 lip liners. They're all competing for attention. Let's start with the wins, the 6 products that officially hit 25 uses and are now leaving the project. Starting with the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Previously, I was at 18 uses and I used this 7 times more to hit 25 uses. And that's what 25 uses looks like. And then we have the Girl Lactic Lip Paint. This one. I was previously at 13 and I've used this 12 times more. So I'm now at 25 uses. And then the only eyebrow product in the mix here, this is a Shiseido eyebrow pencil. I was at 12 uses previously and I've used this 13 times more. And then I've also hit goal on this Tokidoki blush. Previously, I was at 10 uses and I've used this 15 more times. And then I also hit goal on the highlighter, this one, a highlighter rather, from this palette. And it is the shade Serenity. This one. Looking at this closely, you can tell that I've used this more than the others. So I still have this Bliss highlighter in the project. And the last product I hit goal on for this check-in is the Mistine black eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner. I thought this is almost done. I mean, it's already quite dry, but it isn't actually. When I put this upside down, there's still a lot of products. So I'm now I'm storing it this way, not the upside down way of storing it. So these are the 6 products that I've met the goal. And then the remaining products, you can see there are several products still in here. So let's count. There should be 19 in here. So we have the Vice Cosmetics. This is 1. For this Focallure Sunkiss blush, there are 2 products in here. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and the blush, the Bliss blush, that's 19. Now, out of these 19 products, I don't think I'm gonna hit 25 uses on all of this before the finale. And honestly, I'm completely okay with that. Some of these products just aren't getting love because there's so many category duplicates. But I do think a handful are still within reach. So the 19 products, let me just go through them so you have an idea where I am on each of the products that will still be in the project. For this LA Girl white foundation, this is actually the oldest product in the project, or the product longest in the project. I've used this 15 times. I've only used this once for this check-in. My goal actually is to use all of the products at least once per check-in. So for this one, it's 15 uses. And then the NYX, this one, this is at 20 uses now. I've used that 4 times for this check-in. And then this bullet lipstick, this is the color collection and the shade is vintage. I am now at 13 uses. For this check-in, I used this 9 times. The Beauty Now and Next, this one is at 22 uses. The shade is red, I think. Yes, this is my red. And I am at 22 uses. For this check-in, I used that 17 times. And then for the Wet n Wild Breeze, the shade is Breeze. I used this 8 times. For this check-in, 5 times. And then the Lucky Beauty, this one. So I'm just going through the lip products first, except for the lip liner. For this lip Lucky Beauty, I've used this 17 times. So this is a roll-in from my previous check-in. And then for the highlighter, so the Bliss shade here, I'm now at 11 uses. And for this check-in, I used this 6 times. And then this Essence highlighter, I've used this 7 times. Also a roll-in from my previous check-in. And then for the blushes, I have 3 blushes. The Mary Kay Gel Blush. This one, I am now at 18 uses. I've used this 12 times for this check-in. And then for the blush here, I said there are 2 blushes in here. So we have the matte and the shimmer. So that's what I call the matte shade and the shimmer shade. For the matte shade, I've used this 10 times. And for the shimmer shade, I've used this 6 times. For this check-in, I've used the matte shade 8 times. And for the shimmer side, 4 times. So I've been reaching for the matte shade actually, more than the shimmer one. And then for the lip liner, I have 3. So for the Lord & Berry, for this one, I'm now at 22 uses. For this check-in, I've used that 9 times. And then we have here this Beauty Glazed. The shade is Mocha Brown. I've used this 5 times. A roll-in from my previous check-in. As well as this Beauty Glaze. And the shade is Taupe Pink. I've used this 3 times. So I've been reaching for the Mocha Brown over the Taupe Pink. And then we have here this color corrector. I've used this 14 times. For this check-in, I've used this 10 times. I wasn't really optimistic about this, that I'll get to 14 uses. And mind you, 10 uses for this check-in. Maybe there's hope that I'll be able to hit goal on this one. We'll see. For the Cover FX setting spray, I've used this 3 times. In my previous check-in, I was at 2 uses. So for this check-in, I used this once. It's similar to the LA Girl. Just I've only used them once. And then for the eyeshadow, this one, this Baxi eyeshadow, this is a black eyeshadow that I'm using as an eyeliner. I've used this 4 times. A roll-in from my previous check-in. And we have here the Vice Cosmetics pressed powder. This one, I'm at 12 uses. So the word Vice here is not so visible anymore. Maybe on reaching 25 uses, you wouldn't be able to see those letters anymore. And lastly, the Bella Peer setting powder. So this is a banana setting powder. I've used this 5 times. In my previous check-in, I was at 2 uses. So for this check-in, I've used that 3 times. So these are the 19 products that will still be in the project. And the products that I'm confident I can hit goal on for my finale, before the finale, will be the following. So we have Beauty Now and Next. I'm confident because I'm now at 22 uses. The Lord & Berry lip liner, I'm also at 22 uses. And then we have the NYX lip product, I'm at 20 uses. And then we have the Mary Kay blush, I'm now at 18 uses, so 7 more uses to go. And the Lucky Beauty lip product, I'm now at 17 uses, and I'm very confident that I'm going to hit goal on this one because this is actually a roll-in from my previous check-in, and I'm now at 17 uses. So I've been reaching for this. This actually looks good with the lip liner, either the Lord & Berry or this Beauty Glaze. It looks nice. Now, these are my almost there items, and this will definitely be my main focus before the finale so that I would be able to hit goal on those products I just mentioned. Now, the products I probably won't hit goal on, and that's okay. And but I'm still gonna definitely use it at least once. And the products I'm referring to would be this LA Girl white foundation. So I've only used that once for this check-in. So although I'm already at 15 uses, it's just not something I reach for. It's similar for the color. For this Cover FX setting spray, I'm at 3 uses for this check-in. I used this once. I might be able to use this more than once when I get to the finale, but we'll see. It's still a long way to go with 3 uses. Same with the this taupe pink lip liner. I'm also just at 3 uses. And then we have the banana setting powder. I'm at 5 uses, so I don't think. I've only used that 3 times for this check-in. And then for this Essence highlighter, this one, I might not be able to hit goal on this one because I'm thinking of prioritizing the Bliss highlighter from the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis. And then for the blushes, the 2 blushes in here, we'll see if I'll be able to hit goal on the matte shade. But I don't think I'll be able to hit goal on both of this. That's just what I think. But let's see. I might. I like wearing blushes. So, yeah. Sometimes I would retouch. So, that counts as another usage. And then for the lip products, maybe, possibly, the color collection, I may be able to focus on that, but probably not with the Wet n Wild Breeze lipstick. For the Wet n Wild, I am at 8 uses, but for the vintage, I'm at 13. So that's why I am thinking I may be able to prioritize the vintage bullet lipstick over the Wet n Wild Breeze lipstick. So my plan for this final stretch is simple. Focus on the items close to 25 uses, then rotate the products that fit naturally in my everyday routine, and most importantly, enjoy the process. No pressure to hit goal on everything. And that's my second to the last check-in for my Project 25 in 2025. I'm thrilled to have hit goal on 6 more products, and I'm excited to see how many more I can wrap up before the finale. Let me know in the comments how your project plans are going. Are you on track, behind, ahead? Just vibing, all of it is valid. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The finale is coming very soon and you won't want to miss it. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye!